Hi, this is Ron Robinson, Regional Sales Manager for Allied Moulded Products. I wanted to make a quick video to explain how our round floor boxes that we have, and that you have, hopefully, our FB3, FB4 series, and FB7 and FB8 series. Difference being one is line power floor box, round floor box, and the other is a line power and low volt option floor box. Today, what I wanted to show you was a little trick and tip that maybe you do or don't know about the Allied round floor boxes, is that they have the ability to be put into a concrete junction box. And there's some caveats to that, but I did want to show you real quickly how easy this is for a contractor to use instead of possibly having a real expense of a wire mold or Hubble or some other kind of maybe overcomplicated box, to whereas maybe they don't need something that complicated. So in this case, I'm showing an FB-3N, which is our nickel floor box. It's a simple line power floor box. So as always, our floor boxes, whether they're single gang, double gang, or rounds, will come with devices, line power devices. In the event it's a low volt, it will have the keystone openings. It won't come with the keystones for that, because obviously this could I don't know if they're going to want an HDMI or RJ45 or any kind of coax or whatever. So we leave that to them. But when you've got now this is great because it's a 4-inch hole saw that makes the entrance to a wooden floor for this box. So this is installed and attached, and these metal wings actually will grab up onto the bottom of that subfloor to install that box. And then, like I said, every single one of our boxes that they kind of got off track will have all of the components required. There's no special dividers, extra dividers, or anything extra, or even extra cover. It all comes with the cover. It comes with obviously the box and the device, as you know. In 3 colors too. This happens to be the nickel. We also have a natural brass and also a dark bronze, which is almost a black, gorgeous cover. All brass. So I've got a concrete junction box here, and this is the key. We can take this junction box, or this floor box, and put it in this junction box. So when I said there were some caveats to that, the junction box, obviously this is not Allied's junction box. We don't manufacture a concrete junction box, but we can utilize our competitors' product in order to put our product into a concrete application. In this case, it's a Carlon E971FB, and this may be something that's a bread and butter item for you. You've got these probably in stock, and thus know the cost on this product. And you obviously already have or have heard of the Allied floor box line. This happens to be like I said, the FB3. But we also have a kit. And what this kit does is allows us to take this concrete junction box. This, like I said, this was a Carlon. This will also work in an Arlington 4500 series. It'll work with a Kralloy. It'll work with a Lu junction box. As long as this box itself has a 4.5-inch inside diameter, the kit I'm about to show you will work. So this kit is an FB-CAK, and it's available currently. If you don't already have it, it may already be in stock. The kit includes an adapter ring that's going to fit into this junction box, and it also includes a gasket, which I think is under here. Well, it includes a gasket that goes between the floor box and the junction box in order so it maintains its mop rating. But this concrete junction box is a simple slab-on grade. It's going to be installed. The concrete will be poured, and when it's leveled and when it's dried, they'll come in, and the contractor will trim this to the level of the concrete finished floor. And then you can see here that I've done a cutaway on this box. And the only reason I've done this cutaway is to show you that once this box is cut, this sleeve is installed. And it's just simply installed with PVC cement. So it's a very easy install for an electrician to do, or even a builder or any end user. And then once it's there, you've already put the PVC cement in here, and I've already kind of done that here. So it just gets simply as glued into here, and it's level to there to the top of the box. The gasket is installed, and then the box, you'll take your FB3. It'll work with an FB3, FB4, and or a 7 or an 8. Will actually slide into the box, and then you'll tighten it up. And when you tighten it, and that's why the cutout's been done here, is that these metal wings will move up with these as you tighten these screws, similar to a toggle in behind drywall, and lock that box into place. So at that point, then after it's wired up, you'll install it, and then you go ahead and install your all brass cover, and you've got a pretty nice looking, very, very economical concrete junction floor box in a junction box that you already got in stock, with a box an Allied molded floor box that you've already got in stock. And if you don't already have the FB-CAK kit in stock, it's very simple to call your manufacturer's representative, and they can get you the pricing on that. It's guys, for what you've got probably invested in the cost in this entire unit, and it's ready to go out the door, is to where a lot of our competitors pricing for maybe simply just the brass cover without anything else is going to start at. So anyway, get a hold of your manufacturer's representative, or you can respond to me and I can get you in touch with them if you'd like. But I think this is this is a huge profit margin maker for you here. We can discuss, or you can discuss with your manufacturer's rep, the cost savings between using this and maybe using something similar to wire mold or Hubble or the Ratchet Pro Ratchet 881 system or whatever else is out there. Most applications you can do this, and your contractor, your end user, isn't going to charge probably any less to install a floor box. So you both might as well make a little more money and margin on this system where it's applicable. So like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to me or reach out to your manufacturer's representative. I'm sorry it took so long for this video, but I appreciate your time and your business. Thanks.